Good morning. We have continued this lecture. Here we here two decision variable, that is x1, x2, and here we have considered two mutually perpendicular line, that is OX1 and OX2 any point x1, x2. In the positive coordinate will certain satisfy non-negativity constraint, that is x1 greater than equal to 0 and x2 greater than equal to 0, and then we plot the line. We give the first constraint, that is x1 plus 2x2 less than 2000, that is put x equal to 0, then we find x1 equal to 2000, and again we put x1 equal to 0, we get x2 equal to 1000. And we have considered, that is, then we mark a point in this perpendicular line. We find a value of two decision variable in the first time constraint, that is x1 equal to 2000, and then we have considered this point where 2000 and next point x2 equal to 1000, that is 1000, that is we have this line OM, and we consider the scale. That is, we assuming a scale, that is 100 unit equal to 2 centimeter. That is, we assuming the scale 100 units equal to 2 centimeter. That is, here the first point we first 2 centimeter, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. That is this OL, that is 200, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 1000, that is OM. That is the mark this point on the scale, and we are assuming the scale 100 units equal to 2 centimeter, and mark this scale on the line, that is OL equal to 2000 and OM equal to 1000, and we mark this point on the scale, and we join this here into M, that is x1 plus 2 x2 equal to 200. That is the first point. Finding the graphical solution of the linear programming problem. In this problem, we assuming the here two decision variables x1 and x2, and we draw the two perpendicular line, that is OX1 and OX2, any point x1 x2 in the positive coordinate will certain satisfy non-negativity constant, that is x1 greater than equal to 0 and x2 greater than equal to 0, and then mark up, we plot the line. First we plot the line, this first constant, that is prime constant, that is x1 plus 2x2 less than 200, and we put x2 equal to 0, then we get x1 equal to 2000, and again we put x1 equal to 0, we get x2 equal to 1000, and mark this point on this perpendicular line. We have considered the first x1 is OL and x2 is the OM, and we mark this point on the line, and we join this point M, that is x1 plus 2x2 equal to 2000. Next we give the second that is, here we consider the point P. Any point P lying below or on, lying on or below the line x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 2000 will satisfy the inequality, will satisfy the inequality x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 2000, and if x1 equal to 500 and x2 equal to 500, then that is this inequality is any point P. We have considered this any point P lying or below the line, that is below the line, that is x1 plus 2x2 equal to 200 will satisfy the inequality, that is x1 plus 2x2 less than 200, and if x1 equal to 500 and x2 equal to 500, then this 500 plus 2 into 500 equal to 2000, that is 500 plus this 1000 equal to 2000, that is 1500 is less than 2000, that is which is true, which is true. That is first constant is x1 plus 2x2 less than 200, and here any point we have considered any point P lying on or below the line, and here we put x1 equal to 500 and x2 equal to 500, and then the value of x1 plus 2x2 equal to is 1500 is less than 2000, that is which is true, that is point P is the below on the line. Then similarly, then similarly plot the line x1 plus 2x2 equal to 1500, that is put x2 equal to 0, then x1 equal to 1500 and again put x1 equal to 0, we get x2 equal to 1500 and plot this line on the put this point on the line. Stop here this lecture.